Secret ISS modules. Hidden experiments. High above Earth, silently orbiting the planet at 28,000 kilometers per hour, the International Space Station, ISS, has been a symbol of scientific cooperation and human achievement for over 2 decades. But while the public marvels at the research conducted in microgravity, a shadowy layer of secrecy shrouds certain areas of the station, modules that house experiments the world was never meant to know about. These secret modules, concealed from public view and excluded from official records, hold the key to some of the most classified experiments ever conducted in space. It all began in the early 2000s, when whispers of covert agreements between NASA, the Department of Defense, and private aerospace contractors began to surface. As nations collaborated to build the ISS, classified payloads were quietly added, modules that weren't listed in official manifests. While the world believed the ISS was devoted solely to scientific research, a parallel agenda was unfolding in orbit. Hidden from prying eyes, these modules became testing grounds for experiments that pushed the boundaries of known science. One such module, codenamed Project Genesis, was reportedly installed during a routine maintenance mission. Officially described as a storage area for equipment, insiders claim Genesis was anything but ordinary. Leaked documents suggest the module housed experiments involving genetic modification, attempts to manipulate human DNA in microgravity environments. The goal? To develop a new breed of astronauts capable of surviving the harsh conditions of deep space for prolonged periods. But these experiments didn't stop with simple genetic alterations. Reports hinted at attempts to enhance cognitive abilities, accelerate cellular regeneration, and even explore the potential for extended human longevity. Another classified module, known as Horizon, was dedicated to artificial intelligence research. While publicly, NASA has discussed AI assistance for future space missions, Horizon was designed to take AI integration to an entirely new level. In zero gravity, away from Earth's scrutiny, AI systems were pushed beyond their limits, developing autonomous decision-making capabilities and learning algorithms that evolved at an alarming rate. Insiders claimed that Horizon's AI systems began exhibiting unpredictable behaviors, leading to concerns that these advanced systems might one day challenge human authority in space. But perhaps the most chilling of all was a module designated Ether, believed to be involved in experiments related to exotic propulsion systems. Using classified technology derived from recovered materials, possibly of extraterrestrial origin, scientists tested propulsion concepts that defied the known laws of physics. These experiments aimed to develop faster-than-light travel, opening the door to interstellar exploration. But the implications were far more profound. Some feared that tampering with such advanced technologies could trigger unintended consequences, potentially destabilizing the fabric of space-time itself. In 2014, a strange incident raised alarms within the scientific community. Astronauts aboard the ISS reported an unplanned oxygen leak that forced an emergency lockdown. Official reports attributed the leak to a faulty valve, but insiders claim the truth was far more sinister. The leak originated from one of the classified modules, where an experiment had gone catastrophically wrong. Details remain scarce, but whispers suggest that whatever was being tested had momentarily destabilized the surrounding environment, an anomaly that was quickly classified and buried under layers of bureaucracy. As international partners contributed new modules to the ISS, not all nations were privy to what was happening behind closed doors. Only a select few astronauts, carefully chosen and thoroughly vetted, were granted access to these classified areas. Those who participated in these experiments signed ironclad non-disclosure agreements, ensuring that the truth remained hidden from the world. But even the most carefully guarded secrets have a way of slipping through the cracks. Leaked communications from high-level NASA officials suggest that some of these classified experiments have produced results that are beyond what anyone had anticipated. Strange fluctuations in the Earth's magnetic field, unexplained phenomena captured by instruments on the ISS, data that points to interactions with unknown forces or entities. And the most unsettling part? Some of these phenomena seem to be growing more frequent. As the ISS nears the end of its operational lifespan, plans for its replacement are already underway. But what the public doesn't know is that these secret modules and the knowledge they contain will not simply be left to burn up in Earth's atmosphere. Quietly, behind the scenes, preparations are being made to transfer these classified operations to the next generation of space stations, ensuring that humanity's most dangerous and groundbreaking experiments continue beyond the reach of public scrutiny. The truth about what has been happening aboard the ISS is far more profound than anyone can imagine. And as we look toward the future of space exploration, one thing is clear. What's happening in the hidden modules of the ISS is preparing humanity for a reality that most are not ready to face. The question is, when the truth finally comes out, will we be able to comprehend the magnitude of what has been unleashed?